I ordered a passion fruit vine from Four Winds Growers. It was my first time ordering from them. I wanted to show how it arrived in the mail via UPS. This one is the Nancy Garrison type of vine, which I have ordered from another company. I am impressed with how full it came in the mail, and it already came with budding flowers. I've had 2 vines for about 5 years now. One of them doesn't even fruit and one of them doesn't even flower anymore, so it was time to refresh and get a new one after I tried to graft and they failed.